Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free accessories for your Roblox avatar. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to go to the avatar menu and then we're going to go to the marketplace. Okay, and here as you can see that we need Robux to get accessories or get avatars, but don't worry guys because you can still get free accessories by filtering it. So here you can select price range and you can add 0. And wait, I'm going to go to the accessories so we can get the free accessories. Okay, just filter it. And as you can see here, you can get all these accessories for free. For instance, I'm going to select wait, maybe this one, this sunglasses. Okay, you can get the details and you can apply it to your avatars. Alright, I'm going to apply this one. And okay, this is the result. Okay guys, and that's how you can get free accessories for your Roblox avatar. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.